At the Chippy. Thought I'd have Chippy for tea. He's had all that on that live stream and feel a bit here. So I thought I fancy a kebab, so I'm having a kebab. I'm at our local Chippy. Got my hat on, keep me warm because I've got to chill. Off the Wanderer, cheers for that, mate. So there it is, Neverstowe, best Chippy in town. Superb here. Right, I'm back. Everything costs £19.60p, expensive innit? But we don't have Chippy often. Last time I had it was last time I done a video of it, which was what, months ago. So let me show you what I got anyway. Got a couple of curry sauces. So I didn't want to cook tonight after the live stream and I feel a bit queasy. Got a couple of curry sauces. So get them out. Everything has been cooked. So everything is fresh. I've got a big bag of chips. So which is a bonus. I have to wait for everything to be cooked and I was first in the queue. So which was an absolute bonus. Look, it's all fresh, boiling hot. Look nice, them chips. Place one of them. Gorgeous. Receipt there. I've had, put that on a plate, because I'm hungry. A large doner. Oh my god, look at the size of that. I ain't going to eat all that. Look at it. Oh yes. We've got some scallops. Everyone's saying, what do you call them scallops for? Scallops, fritters, whatever you want to call them. And that wanted a battered sausage. A willy sausage as you called them last time. There they are. And the lad wanted that as well because the lad loves battered sausage, curry sauce and chips. Well, I'm going to dish it up and lay it at the table. Starving. Right up the table. This kebab is huge. Now the kebabs were £6 for a small one or £6.50 for a big. So 50p more. And so I went for the big. And it's huge. I ain't going to eat all this, not in a million years. So if I can give you a closer look up. There it is, look, it's absolutely massive. It's the size of the plate. The plate under there is the size of the plate. There's the edge of the plate. So that's the edge of the thingy there. And the edge of the plate's there. So that's how big it is, 3/4 of the plate. Some chips. The colour's probably not the best because I ain't got me lighting out and everything's really dark in our kitchen. There's then that, having the usual. She's already bit into a sausage, starving at your back. As I say, we don't have Chippy very often, so last time was probably when I done that other video, months ago, weren't it? I don't know how I'm going to eat this kebab. Do you want some kebab, mate? Try some. Everything's fresh. It was all just cooked, even the kebab meat. I was first to get a slice. It's bang on.
That's a bit of kebab meat.
Yeah, it's got some chilli sauce on it.
Oh.
Go on, just pull it.
Thank you.
And it's got garlic mayo on it as well.
I like garlic mayo.
Chilli sauce, garlic mayo. I'm not going to get it. I'm not going to eat all this. I ain't going to get all this. I can't even pick it up.
That sauce has got a kick.
I pick most of it. Look at the size of it. Look at it. But you might as well pay the 50p. Look at it to my head. It's huge. Oh my god. You might as well pay the 50p, mightn't you? Have the bigger one, mightn't you? Can all save a bit till later then. Proper drunken food, ain't it? On the night out.
There's nothing wrong with a big dirty kebab when you've had a beer.
There isn't bad, no. And there's the chips. Loads of chips, sweetheart.
I've got plenty here, thank you. I've got this to eat first.
Loads left. The chips were £3.30 for a big bag or £2.50 for a small. Well, they don't small, it's normal now, ain't they? So, I just got a big one. But yeah, it's got the chilli on it, look, you can see it in the, without me lighting. Proper heart attack food, ain't it, this? But once in a while, do a kebab. Especially when feeling under the weather.
It's nice and fresh.
You what, Bab?
It's nice and fresh.
What's the curry sauce like? Is it nice?
Yum. You can have that. I've saved it anyway.
I think I got enough, didn't you? I think I got enough, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh, curry sauce. Yeah. There's loads in that pot.
That's nice curry sauce, isn't it? That's yummy. Right, I'm going to go and eat it. There's only short one. Well, I won't eat it all, but I'll eat some of it. There's this kebab, look. All fresh. I'm full. About halfway through. Can't eat any more. Bloated. I've ate all the salad, most of the salad. There's loads of meat left in there. Loads of it. And about half of it, look. Loads of chips. That's struggling and all, ain't you, Bab?
I'm getting full up now.
Oh. One more bit of meat. That'll do me. I'll save that. Maybe have it for breakfast.
I just get told off for that.
What, having it for breakfast in the morning? Nothing better than having it for breakfast.
I'm a big dirty kebab. Breakfast on.
After the night out. Wake up in the morning, it's there, you think, oh, I'll scoff that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
They used a bit of days.
Then you sorted them for dinner eating as well.
Yeah.
Then you can go back out on a lash.
Anyway, going to go down now. Going to go and crash on the city. Shattered. Worn out. Bloody cold. Anyway.
Pardon?
See you later. Belly. Bye-bye. I do apologise about the lighting, but the house, the kitchen's terrible in the winter. Bye-bye.